Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And as in my last two videos, especially about the answer writing, I have spoken you about introduction writing and main body writing. This particular video will be dedicated towards conclusion writing. Friends, if you really want to score well in conclusion, you supposed to be writing good answers, and if you will write a good answer, then conclusion plays a very vital role. आपण माने जदि भलो आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करबा को चाहुचंती ताहले तो conclusion जदि बिना लिखी आपनकर आंसर राइटिंग कंप्लीट हबो नाही. If you really want to score high in mains, you supposed to end your conclusion with your answer with a wonderful conclusion that really holds the key. आपनकर जो conclusion होची generally UPSC रे कोन होवे कि critically examine and this kind of a questions like discuss, and these are the things for UPSC. But for OPSC they generally ask about informative, they ask about say for example human rights, National Human Rights Commission, then State Human Rights Commission, what are the recent particularly things happening in NGT and all this. So it becomes very easy when somebody asks you about an informative question, when they are not telling you to analyze and give some wonderful things, then it becomes very easy for you to go and conclude the answer. And your conclusion should be somewhere around 45 to 55, 60 words. If the question is asked for 200 words, 45 to 50 words supposed to be your conclusion. Try to have a positive conclusion. Positive conclusion means if some question is there, like say for example when you are writing a conclusion for your essay paper, जेतबले आपण essay paper रो conclusion लिखुचंती सेही टाइम रे आपनकू एटा एन्श्योर करियो पड़िबो कि आपण किछि essay रे जो भी आपण लिखिले ताकू सम अप करियाकू आपण भल्लो conclusion रे सम अप करंतु, because conclusion makes a wonderful impression on the examiner, and your conclusion can change the fate of your answer, especially your marks. If you will end with a bang, say for example you can in essay paper you can even end the total essay with a quotation too. आपण गोटे quotation लेखि कि भी आपनकर essay को end करि परिबे. essay paper रो जदि conclusion जदि आपण चाहुचंती आउ किछि स्पेशली जेतेबेले essay रो आपण conclusion लिखिबे ताहले आपण जो भी points को argument करिसंती essay रे, either आपण for रे argument करथिबे, either against रे argument करथिबे, किछि view point देथिबे, किछि situation को analysis करथिबे, जो भी आपण main body रे आपण लिखिथिबे essay content रो, तो आपण जेतेबेले essay रो जो conclusion लिखुचंती ताहले आपण जो track नेले starting from introduction to main body, you supposed to be giving some reflection, and then after you end with a positive note by giving some solution to the issue. जदि आपण किछि issue based question लिखुचंती essay लिखुचंती, say for example public interest litigation. Public interest litigation, if I will say the essay is public interest litigation has done more harm than good, if I will give this particular essay, when you will conclude, you supposed to be ending with a positive note. Positive note in the sense, say for example is not good means more harm than good. If it is saying like this, then you have to be having some data available, ready-made data in your main body, that no, because of this so much of a, you can say, legislative time, energy has diverted to the satisfy the need of the public interest litigation judgment, then administrative work, has to be diverted towards this particular thing. Then you have to report the law commission reports, then administrative reform commission report about this kind of a thing. Then all this, even some NGO studies, all this you have to sum up, and then finally you have to say, sir, if though there are so many things are happening, but we cannot say that public interest litigation is the only harm, because it is a way in which the general masses are coming to court in order to get justice. You have to end it in a positive note. You have to. So that is the way in which you can make a lasting impression on the examiner, and examiner can award you with high marks. And same goes with your the optional answers as well as your GS paper answers. When they are asking informative questions, you have to, and okay, these are the things, and we can conclude by saying, you can say, then after discussing all this, means I am telling you how you can conclude. After discussing all this, we can say that Odisha architecture is a beacon of light for the rest of the India, or whatever. Means if you are writing about a personality, so and so personality is, you can say, wonderful person who has committed his life for the social service and for the welfare, upliftment of the poor and destitute people. You have to make this kind of a words which is give flair to your answer. आपनको आंसर को ब्यूटिफाई आउ बहुत पावरफुल करिवो जदि आपण भलो कंक्लूजन लिखिचंती. आई होप डू नॉट अंडर एस्टिमेट कंक्लूजन. Conclusion plays a very vital role. I am telling you repeatedly. Then do make it a habit of writing conclusion at the end of your answers, as well as your optional answers, as well as your essay paper. You can have 2 or 3 ready-made conclusion ready for many of the topics, special topics. Then you can directly use it in your exam time. If you are having ready-made conclusions, do it positively. It will help you for your preparation. Thank you very much. Happy learning.